Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. So today I am in my laundry room and I want to show you some of Scentsy's products that we have for doing your laundry. I don't know, it kind of makes laundry more fun in a way and interesting. Laundry is a chore and I am the person who does laundry in the house by choice. And I typically do laundry on Tuesdays and Fridays just because I like a good schedule and organization. And it is Friday, so it is laundry day. I have separated my lights and darks, so I'm going to do darks first. And I'm going to show you what I do with Scentsy laundry products. All right, so first, the products that I'll be using today are the new Scentsy suds. So these are literally just perforated detergent sheets. And you can get things like this probably anywhere, but I really like these. They come in the clothesline scent, so it smells like laundry, like clean linen. Yeah, and I don't mind that in the laundry. I don't like this in the wax, as I've said before. So you get 25 sheets, and you can essentially do 50 loads of laundry. And this is $22 for these. And so I don't have a super large load of laundry. It is just Jeremy and myself. But what you essentially would do is tear this off. So this is for like a smaller load of laundry if you just want one. Or maybe if you're just doing like a load of towels, I don't know, maybe I would do like a full thing. But if you're just doing like sheets, maybe just one. And so this is what I would do with this. So you're just gonna take your detergent sheet here, your Scentsy Sud, if you will, and I have discovered, using these for a couple months now, I have discovered that these will sometimes like stick to the sides of the laundry drum. So what I kind of like to do is put it kind of like in the middle of the clothes somewhere. So it's just kind of in there hanging out. And then our next step is the washer whiffs. So before I explain the washer whiffs, we do also have a liquid form of laundry detergent, and this is the laundry liquid, essentially, to make it simple. And this is the scent Water Lily and Bergamot. This was in the summer collection last year, and it's actually in the catalog now, but this is literally from last year. Sometimes I just stock up on laundry stuff, that way I'm not really worrying about it. If I'm closing out a party, I'll keep my own rewards, which is a major Scentsy consultant perk. If you want to, get your own free and half price items, we are totally allowed to do that. So I will use my rewards a lot to get laundry products. I can't remember the last time I've paid full price for laundry. I haven't bought laundry anything from the store, like a big box store, in over 5 years. So if that tells you anything. But the laundry liquid is very concentrated. I do like that it comes with a pump, and a smaller load like this would probably only take like 1 or 2 pumps. So just definitely read the directions on the back, but I love the laundry liquid very much. Next, we're gonna do the washer whiffs. So these are essentially washer crystals that you would put in your laundry to give it like a boost of fragrance. And this is actually one that I hadn't tried before. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's just washer crystals that boost your fragrance. These are great on your towels and your bedding. Maybe not for a comforter, but like for your sheets and blankets. And they're great on your clothes too. I know a lot of times if I use this one or Frosty Air, I can really smell the fragrance on my clothes. And that's just really nice. It just smells very fresh. This is a fruity scent, but the way Scentsy has designed it, it is kind of a fresh scent as well. So what I would do is I'd put a whole scoop of this in this load of laundry. So here we go. All right, so we just take our full scoop like so, and really just sprinkle it in there, and we're good. And you might wonder, do I use fabric softener? typically only for sheets, yeah, sheets, blankets, towels. Otherwise, I don't use it. I have discovered that it will stain t-shirts and stuff like that. So I can't, after like going through that for so many times and the stain not coming out or whatever, I just stopped using it on regular clothes. I know my husband had a stain, fabric softener stain on like an expensive shirt that he bought, a t-shirt, but at like a theme park or something, and I had to wash it a few times and spray it and use all kinds of stuff to get it out, and it finally did come out, but it was just a hassle. So after some research, I mainly use vinegar on clothes. I'll use vinegar on towels and sheets and stuff like that too, because it's really good with smells and breaking down, you know, any type of stain or anything like that. So with clothes, I literally just use like a little bit of vinegar, maybe, I don't know, a couple of tablespoons. I just kind of measure with my heart. And vinegar's cheap, so, you know, and this is from like Dollar Tree or something. I actually need to get some more. But that is kind of what I use as fabric softener on clothing. However, this is no longer a catalog product, but we also occasionally carry Scent Soft. A lot of times if you do see it, it's a Scentsy Club exclusive on the website, or it will be available on clearance or a sale. When I've seen it, I have grabbed it because it is no longer a regular product, but I swear this is a 32-ounce bottle. You don't need a whole lot for your laundry. Like, if I was just doing my towels, I'd probably do like 2 or 3 pumps, and this would last me forever. So I do kind of miss this sometimes being in the catalog, but again, I no longer use it on clothing necessarily. All right, so we are good to close. I'm gonna start the laundry yes, here we go. And good to start for our first load. All right, and then I'll come back and we will do the dryer. All right, thanks guys. All right, and just like that, our washer is done. So I've switched over to the clothes to the dryer, and I didn't want to do that on camera. It's just kind of not necessary, but I wanted to talk about the dryer sheets. So we do have dryer sheets now. They came out last year, or maybe a couple years ago. I can't remember now, but maybe last spring. But this is Luna, and you're probably thinking, why do you have 3 different fragrances? So I had the Water Lily and Bergamot, and the Clothesline, and the Scentsy Suds, which is the only one right now in that fragrance, in that product. And then Black Raspberry Vanilla in the washer whiffs, and now Luna in the dryer sheets. I will say, as I'm putting my clothes in the dryer, all I smell is Black Raspberry Vanilla. It smells very, very good. It is even stronger or more long lasting if you use all 3 of the same scent or whatever. We do have the laundry liquid in the Black Raspberry Vanilla, and the dryer sheets also come in Black Raspberry Vanilla. It's just kind of what I have on hand. Some of this stuff I like to make samples of, so I'll just order different scents for customers to try. So this is what I have today, but love the dryer sheets. They're really, really nice. You get 80 dryer sheets, so 80 loads of laundry, which is nice. So, and it smells really good. I will say, this doesn't smell exactly like Luna. It smells like a sweet floral, which is what Luna is. It's not spot on Luna, but it still smells really good, really similar. I'm just being honest, so yeah. All right, so we just put our dryer sheet in there, of course, close it, and then we are ready to go. This is just a personal preference, but I like to put it on time dry and a lower heat, and I usually have these dry on low heat for about an hour. So we're gonna start that. And of course, I'll switch over the laundry whenever the dryer is done, and I'll fold those clothes and switch it over. And I'll show you, I guess my finished laundry and let you know my thoughts on the laundry products. So the laundry's done, and I'm not going to show you the laundry because it's, there's underwear and, it's just, who wants to see clean laundry when it's not yours? I don't know. But this just made laundry really easy. I also wanted to talk about one more product that I didn't talk about a second ago, and that is the dryer discs. So this is fluffy fleece, and, or no, this is wildflower cotton, I believe. Yeah. Despite the name, it's kind of a masculine scent. It's not bad. It's not my favorite, but I do like it. And these go in the dryer. So you get 2 in a pack. And I don't remember how many loads they're good for because I always take them out of the box and put them in like a organization tote or whatever. But I kind of just use them like for a month and then switch it out. So that's the dryer disc, and they do smell really good. I typically just put both of them in my dryer. And these are also great if you don't want to use dryer sheets, although Scentsy does have dryer sheets as well. It's, maybe just better on the environment, or just one less thing you have to have in your home to take up space or whatever. So dryer discs are really handy as well. They're $7 for a pack of 2. I think that's pretty affordable, especially for at least a month long, or if you just want to put one in there, it's good for over a month. So. And the last product that I'll talk about is Scentsy Fresh. So this is also in the laundry line. It's essentially Scentsy's version of Febreze, and it is $12, but I swear this stuff is amazing. It's my second favorite product other than wax and warmers. I have said that before, but it's very true. This is the Black Raspberry Vanilla. Again, I did not think I'd like this because I don't really like it in the wax, but I really love this scent in the laundry. Another favorite, I really wish Frosty Air had a bottle of this as well, because that's probably my favorite. But Luna's really good. Odor Out is really good. So the links will be in the description below, so definitely check those out. You'll see my website at the bottom, but I absolutely love Scentsy Fresh. And pretty self-explanatory, but I basically just go around and spray like the whole house essentially. There's Ellie. Hi, girl. So there's the bed, and I'll also spray the curtains. So yeah, it's some good stuff. I really, really like the Scentsy Fresh a lot. Well, thanks for doing my laundry with me, essentially. I hope you got some tips and maybe learned about a new product, or if you are a consultant, maybe you found an idea for something to, something new to use or something like that. Or, do you use any of these? Do you have a favorite fragrance in the washer whiffs? I would love to know in the comments. I know another trick that I do with the washer whiffs, this is just me personally, not like a promotion by the company, but I love to put the washer whiffs on my carpet and kind of let it sit for about an hour and then vacuum, because it just makes your carpet smell really, really good. Although Ellie is an adult dog, she does occasionally have accidents, just depending on, certain circumstances. If we don't get home on time for her to go to the restroom, or if we don't take her out in a timely manner or something like that. So she'll occasionally have an accident, and that's perfectly okay. I just clean it up. But in order to kind of get the odor out, I will sprinkle the washer whiffs on the floor and vacuum them up later, and it just makes the carpet smell really good. And then I kind of follow up with the Scentsy Fresh on my carpet too. So I hope this was helpful. I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe. Again, my name is Eric Mobley, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, guys.